Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Analytics or GA4 to your Wistia account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Analytics to Wistia anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that retargeting and also gathering user behavior are an important part. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google Analytics, here on the top right, you're going to click on your company name. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on integrations. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the Google Analytics 4 button and the logo. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this box open up, and you want to click on the blue connect button. Okay, next, Google's going to open up the browser, and they're going to ask which Google Analytics account you want to connect. So for me, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and choose the permissions. I'm going to click on select all and then continue. Okay, next, what you're going to do is go ahead and choose the analytics account right here. Once you've chosen the analytics account, go ahead and choose the website right here. Okay, once you've chosen the website, go ahead and choose the stream. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so once you've made all those choices, go ahead and click on the blue save button. Okay, and once you do that, a quick second later, the page refreshes. And as you can see next to the Google Analytics 4 logo, you can see this green connected button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Analytics to your Wistia account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.